Hi guys, today we're going to hike at Bopa!
So I'ma love you every night like it's the last night, like it's the last night. But sometimes I look in her eyes and that's where I find the best love. I wanna hold you just for a while. I'm only here passing time in her arms, holding you far. Who cares?
Hi guys! Come with me as I show you a day of my life as a hikers. Keme! I went out around 5 a.m. guys and medyo malamig pala ngayon. And it's my first time to wear short here. Oh my negore, what am I thinking? And I'm not the typical hikers guys, campers or adventurers with a lot of gears. It's just me and my simple vlog, and I'm just gonna be sharing some beautiful places that I discovered, which you can also add up to your bucket list this year. I took the train RB26 guys going to the Koblenz Way. And look at this view guys, it's so peaceful. And on my way to the Beaufort, I saw a lot of castles that some were unknown on the other side of the road. And it's a bit foggy today guys because the weather says that the sunrise starts from 10 a.m. I'm gonna start my trail here guys, and my goal to visit is Elfenley. Kaya I think this is the right way. Let's checkers! Good morning. So, mag-hiking tayo ngayon. Dito ngayon tayo sa Beaufort. At right now, nasa Sauerlingstraße tayo. Hanapin natin ngayon yung bundok. Lost Gates! Guys, parang doon ako mag-hiking. May feeling ako na dito ako dadaan. I'm excited! Oh my God! Lost Gates! Guys, di ko na alam kung tama ba itong pinapasok ko sa buhay. Oh my God! Ganito ba talaga yung hiking? I mean, nag-hike na ako before, pero flat lang siya. Pero yung ganito talaga na malayo. Tingnan natin kung ano ang future natin dito. Let's gonna try pa rin our luck kung ano ang future natin dito. Those kids. Buto na, hindi ko na alam kung totoo ba itong nadarama. Oh my God! I'm so scared. Eh! Ay na putex. Tapos naka-short pa. Pala dapat kapag nag-hiking hindi tayo naka-short. Ang daming kumakagat. While I was walking guys, I thought flat lang ang surface na pupuntahan ko, tas pa picture lang, tas pa keme lang. Hindi pala day. Nakakapagod kasi pataas lahat at ang ikli-ikli na ang daan. And actually, I'm not scared being alone doing hikings. But I was scared that what if mahulog ako at mahulog ako sa mga larong ikaw ang pasimuno. And the walking trail guys is so thin, like one person can only fitness. Hindi ko mahulog na akes. Oh my God! Ganda guys! My first trail guys were Heinz Bach Eck. First trail pa lang and the view is so much more. Actually guys, this is the view that I was not expecting, but I was amazed talaga. Hi guys, Rustica9 here, and today we are at anong pangalan? El Feliz! And since I'm alone guys, I enjoyed lang my moments here. I had eaten my breakfast, dance, and I took a lot of selfies. And let's drink tea guys. My breakfast is bananas and my homemade sinangag. This is my cooking guys. I love spending time outside with nature guys, and I get it. People ask me sometimes why I took hours on my day off and I'll be sweaty and I'll be exhausted. But the reality is, it is more stressing staying constantly at home because I'm very demure, I'm very ecosystem, and I'm very mentally. That's all for today's guys. Ano guys? Ano? Dipunggol, kaya ko ba? Kaya ko ba dito? After that, I got lost kaya I decided to go back na lang. So, let's see for the continuation what I had discovered. I will be posting the part 2 of my vlog guys, and let's discover more about health benefits of my vlog. Thanks for watching. Cheers! Mwah!